Guys, today when I was heading out to dinner, I saw this really nice Ducati motorbike. Like, look, it even says Ducati. I've always wanted to get a clear photo of a Ducati motorbike. And today was the day. The photo's so clear where you can see the name Ducati. Today was the day I finally got a clear photo of a Ducati motorbike. Like, how cool is that? But the photo that I wanted, the Ducati bike that I wanted to take a picture of, that I want a better bike picture that I want, is like this. This is what I want to like take a picture of. This type of Ducati. Or like this. But still, I still can't believe I still got a clear picture of a Ducati motorbike. Oh my gosh, my day just got even better. And I saw so many Corvettes today. LOL. But besides that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful day, everyone.